In a world filled with countless medications and high-tech treatments, it's easy to forget that some of the most powerful remedies come from nature. What if I told you that the combination of two simple ingredients, castor oil and baking soda, could help treat 19 different health issues and show results in just 48 hours? Well, that's not just a myth or old wives' tale. It's a time-tested remedy that old doctors have been using for centuries. And today, we're diving deep into this fascinating natural solution. For centuries, castor oil and baking soda have been at the heart of natural medicine. Whether it's for skin ailments, pain relief, or even digestive problems, these two humble ingredients have been known to work wonders. So, if you're looking for a natural alternative to mainstream medications, or if you're just curious about the age-old wisdom of doctors from the past, stick around because you're about to discover how castor oil and baking soda can solve some of the most common health problems. Without further ado, let's break down exactly how these two ingredients work and how they've been used to treat various health conditions. What makes castor oil so powerful? Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for over 4,000 years for its therapeutic properties. This thick, sticky oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which is responsible for its powerful anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. From treating skin problems to relieving joint pain, castor oil has long been revered as a universal healer. It penetrates deep into tissues, helps with circulation, and aids the body's natural healing processes. This makes it an ideal base for many natural remedies, including the one we're focusing on today. Why baking soda? On the other hand, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has been in the spotlight for years as a natural, effective remedy for numerous conditions. It's alkaline in nature, which means it helps to neutralize acids in the body. This is essential for people suffering from conditions like heartburn, indigestion, or even some skin disorders. Baking soda is also known for its antibacterial properties, helping to keep infections at bay. When combined with castor oil, baking soda enhances the effectiveness of the oil and turns it into a potent treatment for a wide range of ailments. Health benefits of mixing castor oil and baking soda. Now that we understand the individual power of castor oil and baking soda, let's dive into how their combination can help with 19 health issues. We'll go over each one briefly, but be sure to consult with a healthcare professional if you plan to try any of these remedies. 1. Arthritis. Pain. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties, combined with baking soda's alkalizing effect, can work wonders for relieving arthritis pain. Applying a castor oil and baking soda mixture to the affected joints can help reduce inflammation and improve mobility. 2. Skin irritations. Whether it's a rash, eczema, or psoriasis, this mixture can soothe irritated skin and promote faster healing. Simply apply it to the affected area and let it sit for a few hours to calm the skin. 3. Digestive issues. Taking a small amount of baking soda with water can help neutralize stomach acid and reduce heartburn. When combined with castor oil, it can also alleviate constipation by stimulating the digestive system. 4. Warts and moles. The combination of castor oil and baking soda is often used to remove warts and moles. This mixture works to soften the growths and eventually cause them to fall off after repeated use. 5. Acne. Acne sufferers can benefit from this natural treatment. The antibacterial properties of castor oil, combined with the skin-cleansing power of baking soda, make this a great remedy for clearing up acne. 6. Stretch marks. Due to its deep penetrating properties, castor oil helps improve skin elasticity, while baking soda helps exfoliate dead skin cells. Together, they can minimize the appearance of stretch marks over time. 7. Scars. Whether from surgery, injury, or acne, castor oil can help reduce the appearance of scars by deeply nourishing the skin, while baking soda can help to gently exfoliate and fade the scar over time. 8. Toenail. Fungus. Castor oil's antifungal properties combined with baking soda can treat toenail fungus. Apply the mixture directly to the affected nail daily for best results. 9. Foot corns. Foot corns can be softened and eventually removed with regular use of a castor oil and baking soda paste. Apply it before bed, cover with a bandage, and let it work its magic overnight. 10. Sunburn. To relieve sunburn, apply this mixture gently to the affected areas. The castor oil helps moisturize and repair damaged skin, while baking soda soothes the burning sensation. 11th. Insect bites. Got a bug bite? The combination of castor oil and baking soda helps to reduce swelling, itching, and inflammation, making it an effective treatment for mosquito bites and other insect-related irritations. 12. Age spots. Apply castor oil and baking soda regularly to age spots, and over time, you may notice them fade. The exfoliating properties of baking soda help shed pigmented skin cells, while castor oil nourishes and promotes skin regeneration. 13. Detoxifying the body. A castor oil pack combined with baking soda can help detoxify the liver. This treatment involves soaking a cloth in the mixture and placing it over the liver area for 20 to 30 minutes. It's an excellent way to promote liver health and overall detoxification. 14. Hair loss. Massaging castor oil into the scalp stimulates blood circulation and encourages hair growth. Adding a small amount of baking soda helps to clean the scalp and prevent dandruff, making it an all-around great treatment for hair loss. 15. Headaches. Applying a castor oil and baking soda paste to your forehead can help reduce the intensity of headaches, especially those caused by tension or sinus pressure. 16. Menstrual pain. Old doctors used castor oil to relieve menstrual cramps for centuries. A warm compress soaked in castor oil and baking soda applied to the lower abdomen can help soothe painful menstrual cramps. 17. Respiratory problems. When applied to the chest, a mixture of castor oil and baking soda helps to alleviate congestion and other respiratory issues. This remedy is especially useful for colds and bronchitis. 18. Wrinkles. Castor oil's ability to deeply moisturize the skin, combined with baking soda's exfoliating properties, helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles over time. 19. Dry skin. If you suffer from dry, cracked skin, especially during colder months, this mixture will hydrate and restore the skin's natural moisture barrier. How to prepare the castor oil and baking soda remedy. Now that you know what it can do, here's how to prepare the remedy. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a small bowl for mixing. Directions: 1. In a bowl, mix the castor oil and baking soda until they form a thick paste. 2. Apply the paste directly to the affected area or issue. 3. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours for skin-related issues, or overnight for deeper penetration. 4. For internal use, like digestive issues, consult with a healthcare provider. There you have it, the powerful combination of castor oil and baking soda. Whether you're battling skin problems, arthritis pain, or even hair loss, these 2 ingredients, which have been used for centuries, might just hold the key to natural healing. This remedy is simple, affordable, and can provide results in as little as 48 hours. Always remember, though, that while natural remedies can be incredibly effective, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making them a part of your routine. So, next time you're faced with one of these 19 health problems, why not give this natural solution a try? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies.